Hello and welcome to another video at flashcardsforkindergarten.com. Now in this video we're going to be talking about the Color the Letters sheet, which features a review of letter recognition as well as uppercase and lowercase tracing. It also gives your children a chance to use their imagination, which I'll talk about in a moment. Now this sheet is a laminated version, but I suggest printing on a normal sheet of paper and then keeping a collection for each student so that the sheets can be shown to their parents or can be used to keep track of their progression. The first part of the sheet is color the letters. Children can use different crayons to color in their letters and build up strength before they trace their uppercase and lowercase letters. Now this part children will enjoy because it's quite simple, and then they should have enough confidence to tackle the next part, which is the uppercase lettering. Now this sheet has numbered strokes as well, so it's very easy for the children to remember how to draw the letters. Still, I would advise that the teacher go over the worksheet at the start of the lesson, and that way children will be confident in filling the sheet out. Now here is the part where your child can use their imagination. So it says draw a picture of something beginning with the letter A. So it gives the children a break from writing a moment because they get to draw their own picture, which can be anything simple as an apple or something like that, or an alligator. You can give them ideas when demonstrating the sheet. Now, the reason I suggest doing this on paper is that it's a lot nicer to draw with pencils or crayons than it is with a board marker. And then the end part, circle the correct letters. So the children have to circle any lowercase or uppercase A that they can see. Now this download features all 26 letters of the alphabet and is available in PDF or JPEG versions. I hope you enjoyed this explanation. Please visit flashcardsforkindergarten.com for more worksheets, materials, and hundreds of free flashcards for your classroom. Thank you. Goodbye.